Hey guys, Mike and Tina Keil here.
We're the Keil team.
In today's episode of Enjoying Life at Home, we're going to talk about the top 2 mistakes we've seen buyers frequently make in today's market.
Let's face it, today's real estate market has low inventory and high demand, which means homes in our area are selling really quickly.
So, avoid buying mistake number 1 and talk to a local lender. You can get pre-qualified before you start shopping for a home.
If you don't, but then find your dream home and learn it's over your budget, it's crazy disappointing.
Pre-qualification helps you understand how much home you can buy, and it provides confidence to the sellers that you've got the needed resources to purchase their home. And often a lender can help you increase your credit score, increase your affordability, and possibly decrease your interest rate, which obviously lowers your payment.
Yeah, that's right. They'll help you understand your budget, the best type of loan, cost for down payment, closing costs, and of course, what your payments may look like.
So if you want to get connected with an amazing lender, we can provide you guys with a few options. These are folks that our clients have done many deals with, and we're confident that they can help you as well.
Mistake number 2, getting too emotionally attached to a property.
In a hot market with limited inventory, try to find more than one home you love. This way you've got options if you don't get the first one.
Yeah. You can avoid stress and disappointment simply by taking these necessary steps.
If you'd like to learn more on how to avoid common mistakes when buying or selling a home, go to tophomemistakes.com.
Or text or call us at 615-347-7774. We'd love to guide you through the whole process. We're Mike and Tina Keil, and this is our show, Enjoying Life at Home.
See ya.
The Keil team is with Keller Williams Realty.
615-778-1818.